Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to add reviews on Big Cartel. For here, we need a third-party website, so go to another tab and search for power.io. Once in, just log into your account or create a new one. Now go to My Apps on the upper ribbon, then create a new app. Now search for reviews, then select product reviews and get that app. Here you can choose from different review templates, so just select one. Now you can edit that template. You can go to designs, or you can add a custom CSS. You can also go to settings. Here you can add in an admin email. You can also change review input fields, like in review field, you can change the review prompt, title, placeholder, text, placeholder. You can also allow images and add image label. If you go to name and email, you can choose if you only need the first name or first and last name. You can also allow anonymous reviews and add in an email label. After that, go to success message. Here you can change or edit your success message, like changing the color and also the font and the font size. You can also change the text for it. Now, once done, just click on Publish. And here you need to install it to Big Cartel, so just copy the code given, go to your Big Cartel, and go to your account. Now scroll down to go to Shop Designer, then go to Code. Here you need to add integration code, but you need a premium plan for it. Now if you have one, you just need to paste in the code provided by power.io and you will be able to add in the reviews to your site. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.